Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
Another 1-1 draw. We scored the first goal early in the game. Osman Ibrahim came out, scored a beautiful goal after receiving a pass from, I think, Godfrey Siema or Emmanuel Jimfi. I didn't watch the game. I can't believe in 2020 CAF doesn't have an official station, TV station or online station where we can watch all the CAF competition game. It doesn't even make sense. I was very pissed that I couldn't watch the game. No live stream, wasn't shown on TV. It was just infuriating. Let's talk about the game. 1-1 draw again. Our last three games now, 1-1, 1-1, 1-1. We don't score more than one. I don't know why. I think that's something we should be worried about because we don't score more than one goal these days. Yeah, it was a very nice game. That's if you talk about the goal we scored, and according to the update I saw online, we dominated most parts of the game after they were given a dubious penalty. They said Yusuf Mubarak hands were backwards, but the referee gave a penalty after the ball touched his stomach. But I won't say anything. We've scored one goal away. The thing is that we have to win when they come to Accra next week. When they come to Accra, Ghana next week, you have to win at Accra Sports Stadium. I'll be here. I'll be there at the stadium. I'll be supporting the boys. I will give you more updates as usual. So this 1-1 draw, I don't know. I'll try to take positives from it. It's not a very good result, but I will take it since it's better than defeat. So it's just that we have to beat them when they come to Ghana. I just don't know why we can't just put out a very convincing win against teams. I have no words. It's not that difficult to score goals, score more than one goal. How can you play 1-1, 1-1, 1-1? 3 games in a row you have played 1-1, 1-1. It doesn't make sense. The fans will begin to get worried, and if we don't make it to the next stage of the competition, a lot of fans will be calling for Maxwell Konedo's sack, and I won't blame them because he's had a lot of time, a lot of opportunity to make the team play very well, and this is what we get: 1-1, 1-1, 1-1. All right, I would like to know your thoughts on the game because me personally, it wasn't a very good result. It wasn't a very good result, but I'll take a draw since it's better than loss, but it wasn't a very good result. I'd like to know your thoughts. Put that in the comment section and let me know. Our game against Accra Great Olympics have been put as an outstanding game. I don't think it will be coming up this week, as a lot of people suggested that it will be coming up in 4 or 5 days time. Yeah, before our game. I don't think it will be coming up, but because the GFA released a statement that it has been placed as an outstanding game alongside other Premier League games. So we're hoping to see that particular game against Accra Great Olympics. But for now, the second leg in in Accra Sports Stadium against Nouadhibo FC is a must-win game. I don't want draw again. 0-0 draw, I won't take it. It's a must-win game. I think we played better than them from the updates I see, unless the official Kotoko handle is lying. But from the updates I've seen, I think we played better than them. I think those are the kind of games we should be winning convincingly. We are nowhere the level of Al Ali and other Zamalek and other northern clubs in Africa. That is the level we should be aiming at right now, because if you meet those people in CAF Champions League, they are going to give us like 3-4-0. So I'm not happy with the result, but it's better than defeat, so I'll take it. I'd like to know your thoughts on the issue. My name is Clinton. Comment, tell me what you think about the game. I think that's all for now. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.